wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to Watch Me Clean Wednesday. Today I am doing an all-day clean with me. So this is the first thing I did was start a load of laundry, and then I'm going to go on and just clean up around the house. Nothing deep clean, just kind of straightening up from the weekend. We were out of town, so I'm putting away some things and getting everything back in order. I do have to go somewhere in the morning, so I filmed on into the night where I cleaned up after dinner and got everything straightened up. So in the morning, all I have to worry about is getting out the door, and once I get home from a long day, I don't have to worry about cleaning the house. So I hope you guys enjoy.
But you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
So now I'm moving on to the bedroom, and it was about 80 degrees on this day, so I opened the windows to get some fresh air, and then I decided I'm also going to clean them because they were pretty dusty and they had collected a lot of dirt down in the little frame part of the windows, so you will see me clean that. So I'm just putting everything away, making my bed, straightening up, and then I really needed to dust in there, so I'm going to dust. And these clothes were all folded but just needed to be put away, so I'm going to put them away quickly, and then I am going to dust down the furniture and finish up in here. So just kidding, I forgot I went into the bathroom first before I dusted, and I'm just unpacking here. These were my bathroom bags from when we were out of town. So I'm just unpacking, putting everything away, and then I wanted to just do a really quick wipe down of the bathroom. So I wiped down the mirrors, the countertops, and then I cleaned the toilet. Nothing special, but I just like to do that on an almost daily basis just to keep it under control, basically. So, and I was showing you I was using the Mrs. Meyer's in lemon verbena, and I'm just going to wipe down everything really quickly and scrub the toilet, and then I'm going to go dust the bedroom. I am using this soft scrub with Oxy, and you guys, this stuff is awesome. It's my new favorite cleaning product. It smells like laundry or like laundry detergent. It just smells amazing. It's probably my all-time favorite scent when it comes to a cleaning product. I really love it. I'm using it in the toilet today with my toilet wands just because I wanted to have a little bit extra cleaning power, and then I'm going to be using it later on tonight as well. I love to use it in my sink, but this stuff smells so good. I found it at Walmart, but I believe I've seen it at like Publix and other places too, and it's just the soft scrub, but this one has OxiClean in it. So definitely check that out if you want to try a new cleaning product. I highly recommend that stuff. I'm just using the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. This comes in a polish and this cleans and dust, and it smells, the scent says almond, and it smells so good. They also have a floor cleaner. I really love this stuff. Since I have found it, I have gotten rid of my Pledge. Not to say there's anything wrong with Pledge, but I just really like the way that this stuff works, and it's really affordable and it just smells really good. So I'm using that to wipe down all of my furniture. I kind of will do like a Swiffer, and then the next time I will actually wipe down. So I do like every other time. So the last time I Swiffered in here, so this time I'm actually using a cleaner to wipe everything down. So I am wiping everything down, and in a second you are going to see my face because I realized that one of my perfumes leaked and ate the finish off of my dresser. Yes, you will see on my face my reaction. I don't even have to say anything. So it ate a pretty good size of the finish off. It was a perfume from Old Navy, and it was in a regular bottle. I have no idea why it leaked, but it completely leaked out of the bottle and ate a piece of my furniture, or the finish off. And I'm devastated. I can cover it, but it still is just devastating because my furniture is only a couple of years old, and it just makes me really, really upset. And then you saw there I was using the Caldrea linen spray in Pear and Agave. It smells really good. And now I'm wiping down the windows with some generic Windex with some paper towels, and I'm also going to clean out down here. You will see it was pretty dirty, so that's what I'm doing now. But yeah, I'm super bummed about my dresser, but there's nothing I can do about it now. I don't know what caused that bottle to leak, but it makes me really mad.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like.
If you're wondering where I got that Our Nest pillow, I got it at TJ Maxx, and I love it. It's so cute. I seen only one and I grabbed it. It was $14.99, I think, and I really love it. And it's filled with like this down filling, so it's a really nice pillow. But yeah, that's where I got it, in case you were wondering. And now it has moved on into the evening time, and this was after dinner. Me and Madeline are cleaning up in there. She had made some cinnamon rolls for breakfast in the morning. So I am just taking the trash out and getting everything cleaned up in here. And this is my new trash can. It is a Simple Human, and I ended up going with this darker, like charcoal-y color. And I really like the trash can. It comes with a pack of trash bags, and it has a little spot in there where they can go. So that is really convenient and nice. I don't know if I will continue to buy their trash bags or not, because you can use your own, but I'll see. I'll just got to give it time. But I did come with like 10 of them, so I'm going to use those while I have them. But yeah, so far I really like the trash can. It's super expensive, but I don't even know why. Trash cans are all really expensive, and I wanted a good one. The last one I had broke, so it was time. But it is a really pretty trash can, and I do highly recommend it. And a lot of you had recommended to me that brand, so that is what I ended up going with. I do still have the tags on it because I am afraid of commitment and I put it in there, and I just wanted to be sure that I loved it before I committed. So I have taken the tags off at this point.
We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
what to do. Need a sign from above. I just want to be somebody who knows how to behave, but I'm not even close. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? I am out here alone, 'cause there's nobody left. I need someone to talk to, get this pain on my chest. All the bad things I've done, and the people I've hurt. Wanna take that part of me and leave it in the dirt. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Oh, save me, save, save me. Oh, I've been trapped in this darkness for far too long now. Wanna tear down the curtains, let the sun shine in. Oh, I've been seeking forgiveness, 'cause I know I was wrong. Oh, I'm running out of time, I have to stay strong.
I got this candle from Target in Blushing Amber. It smells really good. I think it's a really pretty candle. It was $10 and the throw is not that great, so I actually don't recommend buying these. I think you should spend a little bit more money when they're on sale and get the Bath & Body Works candles, but that is what it is in case anyone was wondering. So now I am finishing up for the evening, letting my Tucker boy in, and I'm going to be all done, and that way in the morning I don't have to worry about cleaning my house. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time.
The girls in your hair couldn't find more of a reason to stare. Never seen eyes look into me as you do tonight. And honey, I've been racing the wind like a bird, been chasing the wealth of the world, but it fades when you're near. So tell me where we go from here. Tell me where we go from here. If you'd hate the ocean, then I'd turn the water to land. If you'd miss the sunlight, I'd fill up the cups of my